Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I was in the mood for some brown stew chicken. This one came out just the way I like it. It was savory, nice, tender, delicious, full of the island flavor and spice. Now let's get right into it. First we wash our chicken with water and vinegar and trim off all the excess fat. Then we go in with some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, some onion powder, paprika, and some chicken seasoning and some food browning. Now we're going in with some ground cumin, some dried thymes, and crushed pimento berries. Now we're gonna add some Scotch bonnet pepper, chopped onions, garlic, scallion, and ginger. Now we're gonna gently massage all the seasonings into our meat. Don't be afraid to get your hands in there, guys. If you don't like the mess, then you can put on the gloves, but I like to just get my hands in there and massage the seasoning into my meat. Yes, down to the bone. Some people like to put their meat and let it kind of marinate for like an hour or two, but we're going straight onto the hot frying pan right now. So we're just gonna add our meat into our pan with a little bit of oil and we'll give them a nice sear on each side for about 4 minutes. Now that we got our sear, we're going to just turn over our meat to the other side and let them sear on this side for another 4 minutes. Make sure your stove is on high when you're searing the meat. And now we're going to cover. After 4 minutes, this is how it looks. And now we're just going to add in our chopped vegetables. We're going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to throw in some carrots. And now we're adding a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And now we're gonna cover and let this simmer for another 5 minutes. We're gonna go in with our bell peppers. Bell pepper doesn't really add to the taste, it just adds a beautiful presentation as you prepare your meat. Now we cover and let that simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. And at this time our gravy should be thickened and chicken cooked and ready to be served. Thank you for watching, guys. Please leave in a comment, let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe. That's how you support the page. I appreciate you all. Thank you for the love and support.